Hi, I'm Marty Crandall, Head of Product at Pocampo. I am so excited to talk about the Bedford Backpack Pannier. This feature-packed bag is designed for everyone who is commuting or just needs a great backpack. The Bedford is lightweight at 2.5 pounds, but has a generous 25-liter capacity. We make our bags with durable materials that will last a long time and provide a level of dependable water resistance. Our Pannier system is easy to use. It's magnetic Fidlock buckles instead of bulky hooks that are uncomfortable when wearing a backpack. You will be sure to ride in style and comfort with the Bedford Backpack Pannier. On the sides, we have a generous water bottle pockets and loops for your bike light. Inside the main compartment, there's a zippered pocket for your laptop. This pocket has a generous height to accommodate larger laptops and a zipper to keep smaller laptops and tablets secure. There is a second interior zippered pocket that can be used to secure items such as a passport or a portable hard drive. These items may not be frequently accessed, but you will be able to get to them easily, even if your bag is full. There is a water-resistant pocket for your electronics on the front, and a few handy organization pockets inside the front flap. On the front of the bag, we have 4 webbing loops. The loops work with our helmet harness to secure your helmet when you are not riding. At the bottom, we have a storage compartment for a rain cover, should you get caught in a downpour. This cover can be deployed even while your bag is attached to the bike. To attach the Bedford to your bike, first bring the shoulder straps to the front of the bag and secure all straps. Note the high-vis yellow is now facing out. Then slide the Fidlock magnets to disengage. Drop the straps through the bars of your rack and wait for the magnets to connect automatically. For additional stabilization, pull down the plastic stabilizer hook and hook it around the stem of your bike rack. Thanks for watching. This is the Bedford Backpack Pannier from Pocampo.